guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Boxy charm. This feels pretty heavy, which is intense. I am just going to cut that open. And it says, "Hello, Charmer." I love that. I don't know why I like it so much, but I do. Alright, my hair's making a mess. I already see. Okay, so here's the little card. Super cute. Alright, we're gonna put that down. I can already see like this huge blue stuff from Avant. This is the packaging. And this is micellar. I think that's how you say it. Micellar water. I actually wanted this. I can't remember why, but I wanted this out of the options I think that came all together for this. And this is, geez, this is $90. So yeah, I wanted the right thing, right? I'm super excited to try this out and see if it works. But yeah, it's a rejuvenating micellar water. Alright, the next thing I see is from Pharmacy, and it's a Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer with moringa and papaya. So that is that. This is $38. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that little baby. Alright, let's smell it. Ooh, that smells really good. Smells nice and refreshing. I'm super excited to try that out. The next thing I see is from Dr. Brandt, and this is triple peptide eye cream. So this is DNA. Dr. Brandt. Do not age is what that stands for. And this is $82 for this little dude. The next thing I see is a Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. So this is it. Smell it. It's really orangey. I like that smell. I don't know about the coconut part, but the orange part is good. Sweet orange. This is $33 for this little dude. And then the last thing in here is from Seate London, and it's the Velvet Palette. Even this packaging like feels open. Sesame. Come on. Even this feels good. Okay. Why won't you open? There we go. Alright, so these are all the colors of this. Okay, there's plastic. Like super stuck onto this. Okay, so that is what these look like. They are really pretty and sparkly. I think, what the hell? Some of these straight up look like a velvet consistency. Like this one, that one, that one, this one. They look like legit velvet. That is so weird. That is like weird and super cool. And then the other ones are like super sparkly. So this is $30 for this palette. I was kind of hoping to get the olive one, but this one is really pretty. Okay, let's see what our retail value is.
So 30 plus 38 plus 90 plus 82 plus 33
is $273 for this, which is like, it's a really good deal, I think. We only got, sadly, one makeup product in this one. And then we got a lip, like a lip balm, I guess. And then we got 2 skin, technically 3 skin. So this was like a super heavy skin box which I never get, which is interesting. So I guess it was my time. If you shake this, it gets like darker. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm super excited about this. I cannot wait to try this one. See how it goes. I'm like shaking it, sorry. But yeah, let's see if it works. That is everything I got in my Boxy charm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe. We are really close to 200 subscribers. I'm super stoked about it. We're like really close. And thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below what your favorite product was, or if you get this box, or if you're thinking about getting the box. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and have a good rest of your night. Bye guys!